Hey geeks, Barry here, and today I'm going to show you how I take videos and pictures of my miniatures. I've gotten a couple of questions on how exactly or what exactly is my setup for doing my miniature tutorials and doing the kind of showcase pictures that I do for my miniatures that you can see here. And really, honestly, it's not that sophisticated of a setup, but I figured I would take you through and show you exactly the various programs, the couple of cameras that I use, and the actual kind of rig and setup that I have for doing and kind of setting up this channel. Again, I want to throw out that it's not really sophisticated, at least in my mind, at all. But again, you know, hopefully it'll help you get started, or hopefully it'll help you take better pictures of your miniatures once they're done. So without much else to go on, let's kind of take a tour and I'll show you how things are set up. So here is how I have things initially set up to take a tutorial, or how I should say, how I film my tutorials. So the lights themselves are just pan lights I got from Walmart. As you can see, the lighting rig itself is just PVC pipes. And behind that, my studio is an absolute mess, which is why I tried to keep things on the affordable side and to have things easily break down if I need to make room for bigger or different projects. So the camera itself is simply a Canon Vixia. I think HR, well, we'll just close it real quick and see. So it is a Vixia HFR 80. So it's a high definition camera. It has a self-steady lens. So this is pretty much what I use for everything. I also got it for once I start doing battle reports. And as you can see, I just have it set up on basically a boom mic stand. I was able to find a adapter that allows me to, it's basically like a webcam or a camera adapter that can screw on to the boom cam. I have a little table lamp for basically like a backlight, fill light. And then I throw down, this is just some sketch paper, white sketch paper to, so the lines on the cutting mat won't affect, or nothing affects the focus on the mini itself. So, but there you can see, that's how I have it set up to take and do my video tutorials. So out of everything, the camera and boom mic is the boom mic stand is probably the most expensive thing. So next I'll show you how I do things and get things set up for the final presentation and showcase videos. Okay, so excuse me. This is how everything gets set up for the final presentation videos. As you can see, I just made a light box from basically one of those trifold display boards. You know, the type that you use for science fair projects and all that. Cut out a couple of holes, put some muslin to diffuse the light, and I just move them down into position. I have a backdrop that I found online and I just had printed off at Office Depot, a little turntable display, and that's how I take the showcase videos and the actual presentation photos, which I just use my cell phone like I'm using right now to take the video. And again, I just use the same Canon Vixia, get it set up to take the display showcase videos. So hopefully that helped y'all out. As you can see, there's really kind of nothing fancy about it. But if you still have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. And as always, be sure to hit the like, subscribe, bell buttons, you know, do all the sharing and liking and blah, 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 blah. It really helps us out here and everything. So, but hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all next time.